Tweyanziza nnyo abeekomera ku Wonderboy Huge era nawa subscribing okola omulimu gw'amaanyi. Olwaleero oba olunaku lw'enkya lugenda beera amazaalibwa ga Brisha Cash naye bamukoledde surprise party nga tategedde oba tugiyite surprise, bamukoledde just surprise, bamuleetedde keeki nga tategedde, babadde bamutuute out Jack, ndowooza nga mubadde mulabaawo. Omusajja n'ava eri n'amubawo keeki nga tategeera nga tategedde nakutegeera mbu ebadde ki mbu waliwo kibadde kigenda beerawo. Ndowooza ngenda bamubalekera video maaso awo mugirabe. Ndowooza ate n'aba subscribing banisa subscribing oba liking ne video etambule nga tetwerabidde ba sponsors baffe Biva Organic ono nga asangibwa ku Access Building ng'ono akola ku buli bulwadde bwonna wamu ne Hajat Kalodo ono ng'awombeddwa. Namba eri awo 0776634067 osobola ng'omukubira n'akuyamba.
To Brisha Cash, happy birthday. Mama, wait. It's a pre-birthday gift.
You know that I was like, of course. Right.
Happy pre-birthday.
Yeah, I just wanted to wish her a happy pre-birthday.
Thank you.
From
Thank you.
Dayton to Brisha.
Thank you.
Now, yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night?